Um, Welcome to another tutorial. It's made for the keys, to play keys. I'm going to be giving us a quick tutorial today, and it's going to be in the key of E. E, and the E is the 1, the F sharp is the 2, the A flat is the 3, the A is the 4, the B is the 5, the C sharp is the 6, the E flat is the 7, and E back to 1. So that's the E major scale. Now, we are going to be following this just a little groove that you can play. Now, like I said before, you can. I'm here for the beginners. I'm here for the beginners, and those who are intermediate and you know that at the advanced level, you can also use this groove, this little groove. It's a very nice groove in a way. So it goes like this: the 4, the 1, the sharp 9, flat 7. Now, you can, there's so many things you can do with this groove. You can also use it in your worship session. You can use it to go to the 4. You can use it to go to the 4. Now, you'll be about to go to the 4. You're about to go to the 4. You can do this. See that? Remember we said the A is the 4 in the key of E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. So A is the 4. Let me play the progression again. It goes like this. You see, they are all major. They are all major chord. They are all major 7 chord. Nice one. In my other video, I talked about major 7 chord. How nice they are. They're very nice. Major 7 chord are very nice sounding chord. I personally love them so much. So very nice. And there are lots of things you can do with this progression. So we're just going to keep it simple. Now, this is how the groove is going to be. This is how the groove is going to be. Now, I want to start with the groove now. have a bass player, you can have him do a lot of stuff for you with this progression. And trust me, the both of you are going to enjoy yourselves. It's a very nice, probably maybe soon I'll do the bass part. I'll do the bass part, or probably I'll just do a video. I'll bring bassists along to do this with us, so we all can see, can learn. And those who are who play the bass too, they can actually learn from what person I'm going to bring is going to do. So it's very simple, easy. Now keep this in mind. Now to be able to create this in other key, the key you play, you should have this in mind. Take your A major chord. This is it. Your A major chord. In your left hand, you should be playing the A and the C sharp in your left hand. Then in your right hand, you should be playing the E, the A flat, and the C sharp. That's what you should be playing. So when it's just like the A being the 1, the C sharp the 3. Just for those of us who are familiar with the numbers, who are good with the number system, we have the A is the 1, the C sharp is the 3, the E is the 5, the A flat is the 7, which of course makes it the major 7 chord. Then we take the 3 and also put it up here to give us that sharp sound we are actually looking for. It's a very nice one. We have the same thing here. We have the same thing here. And we have the same thing here. Then for going to the 4, we now have this chord voicing. Part 2 of this video. I'll be doing a part 2 of this video. I'll bring up something, I'll teach you something that we can actually add to this grooving progression. I'll teach you something that we can add to it. You are gonna love it. For today. you can get the notification of this part 2 video and just like the video. It will encourage me to do more, and you can drop in the comment what you want to see, those beginners, the intermediates, what you want to see me do, what you want me to do as a tutorial. Just drop it in the comment below and I'll get in touch with you. Thank you very much.
Can we make just one big choir? Now, you know, in choirs, we gotta rock.